Okay, I now need to go to a general, general usable explanation of SQL, which of course is repeatedly hinted to through all this stuff. Okay, one, please consult SQL people for history of SQL and different flavors of SQL because, of course, it's not my job to promote, de-promote, or, promote I'm a Mizuno brand SQL. Yeah, which is horrifying. So this is a general, dunce treatment of general SQL down to a level where people can understand it. First, I'll use something that is common, at least for some people, that's the accounting ledger. Know that in accounting ledger, of course, they have many different types of these. However, they all have two things in common. One is a row for words. Another is a specially shaped row for numbers. This defines one of the important features of SQL in that it's a way to store different categories of data. Now, immediately leaving one of the actual features of formal SQL for back down to the general gist of SQL. See, you have basically this method of conceptual data. It works like this. You have a two-dimensional table. You basically have, let's use an example, okay? Say you have a certain table with 3 columns of information. Those 3 columns are labeled like this. Name, car, make, and license plate, please. So the first column is labeled name. The second column is labeled make of car. The third column is the confidential license plate information. And then one type of formal business ledger will actually start listing this for example, hotel guests. How does SQL work in here? Basically, SQL contains functions where you basically ask the SQL, which attempts to actually implement a type of girl, in that the thing actually does scan internally for English. Of course, there's a problem because a lot of people who actually do SQL don't even understand that. Anyway, you basically enter this COBOL, please, style command. Here's a problem here. In real SQL, of course, those commands for high security purposes, are buried behind so much, HTML, hyper CSS, PHP, ASP encoded, to where basically it's probably a C++ programming that pulls it up, but nobody's aware of that or even understands that because all those DLLs were made in China. Basically, through a large pile of nonsense, eventually a system issues this thing that might this for example might say next row, please. And so the system returns this string with the name, the specific make and model, and a specific license plate number, along with a whole bunch of other nonsense that makes sure the computer doesn't get for example, the license plate where the name is. A symptom of virus SQL, which of course is one of the largest problems in computers. I'll simply state that there's other stuff for managing, column headers, and looking cute. Anyway, so the previous really all you need to know about SQL. SQL is normally implemented on things such as the HP server using highly secretive methods that help keep SQL safe.